Clear skies for the most part.
Yeah, just a few high thin clouds in our eastern counties, but generally speaking, we've had a really nice looking sunset earlier in the evening, and we should have a lot of clear skies around much of the night tonight. Still a warm night, still at 92 in Austin. For the longest time over the last several weeks, we'd be in the 80s, even 70s at this hour. But now as our days have been gradually getting hotter, our nights have been getting hotter as well, especially the evenings anyway. We expect tomorrow will be almost as hot as today, but not quite as hot, thanks to some extra clouds coming in the afternoon, as well as a few widely scattered showers and storms. Still 99 in Austin, mid-90s to low 90s in our eastern counties, mid-90s in the hill country. The reason our eastern counties may end up a little cooler than the hill country is because the clouds will be coming in earlier in our eastern counties, and that's where the showers will be coming from as well. Still, not a lot of us see rain tomorrow. About 20% of the area should see some widely scattered showers, storms, or downpours, mostly focused on our eastern counties, and a high of 99. Otherwise, you will notice the gradually increasing clouds here tomorrow. Where's the rain coming from? Where are the clouds coming from? This area of potential tropical development, still just a 10% chance of becoming anything more meaningful like a tropical depression or stronger. So almost those chances are down to zero now as it's running out of time for further strengthening, but it doesn't mean we're going to stay dry, as in place of this weakening storm system, still some rain and wet weather drifting westward that will try to get into central Texas at times here tomorrow. Let me talk timeline for you. Some areas of patchy low clouds early tomorrow morning, otherwise a lot of sunshine. There'll be a general increase in cloudiness as we head through the day. Generally, we're dry through midday though, and then here come the widely scattered showers and a few thunderstorms during the afternoon and early evening, mostly focused east of I-35, although we can't rule out something to the west. Then we dry out, loss of daytime heating overnight, and we're generally dry to begin Saturday. Some areas of low clouds again, followed by some sunshine. It's not all cloudy here on Saturday. And then a slightly higher chance of rain and storms comes Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Right now thinking about 30% of the area should see some rain, still focused mostly near and east of 35. So you can see what those rain chances are. 20% Friday, 30% Saturday, back down to 20% Sunday, and then we're dry by Monday. Low flash flooding threat on Friday, 1 out of 4 for our eastern counties, almost the same on Saturday. Not expecting much rain from a broad perspective, a 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch in our eastern counties through the weekend, but there could be some localized 1/2 inch to 1 inch totals, and if that were to come too quickly, there would be that tiny chance for some minor problems out of that. But generally speaking, we think our eastern counties able to absorb more of the rain, as they did not get as hard hit with heavy rain earlier in the month. Here's a look at that first warning weather 7-day forecast then. So we dry up Monday, sun and clouds 96. More sun Tuesday, Wednesday pushes us into the upper 90s, and a low 10% rain chance returns for next Thursday.